Hey peeps, or hey guys, welcome back, and I'm going to be doing some Subway Surfers. And just so you know, with the upgraded monster board, you can jump over the trains. It is also really fast.
My cat.
Well, let's get the upgraded monster board. I have no clue how to do that. Oh god. Right now I'm outside and I'm at the dog park.
45 comments.
Eh.
And this was 2 hours ago.
Okay.
Wow, this is so crazy.
I guess I'll do it. I mean, I don't really like using Trixie. I don't know why. Oh! I'm falling into a hole. Wait, pothole.
I'm gonna get fired. Would you get fired if you did something?
I'm gonna see if I can break a record. Well, I probably won't. I suck at this game.
Andrew, you highly suck.
Thank you for noticing.
I haven't even noticed.
Warm? What the heck?
That's only 13
Oh, nice.
and it has like how much?
Oh, crap.
Actually, it's 27.
Jake. There it is, the J.
46 comments. Oh my god. And it's all just 3 people?
You know, Kaylee, I can hear you.
He's talking about this channel. Ew, poor hamster. I know, right? I know, right? I can give you a shout out. On the ground, really? Thanks. How the heck I can get? Hey.
What are you talking about, Faith? I'm uploading a video right now. Wee! Wee!
He looks like a Meredith. Why do some of the cats not have voice?
Let's do this! Oh,
Actually, some of the pictures of the cats. It's a Jackson. Different cat. And the name was Jenny. Cat people.
Jesus.
I just wish people would go like, hello, welcome to Pet Park. Talking to pets. No, I just real quick.
Kaylee, stop talking. I'm in the middle of a video and it's very
Hey,
important.
why don't you go all the way over there?
No! Eh. Not a bad run. Ooh, new high score. Guys, I did it. No way. That's awesome. Well, I was going to do that. It's going to be called New High Score, Subway Surfers. Legendary moments, only 7,653. Not that good, but still. Yeah. I'll see you in the next video. Just a real quick video. Something besides Supercell. See ya.